Okay, so let's see the preparation with the racket to the back fence. That's good, good. Now hit it. Yeah, now let's see you drop the racket, bend a little bit. Good. Get the racket down by your calves or your ankles, right? There you go, good. Okay, again. Okay. Okay. Start from the beginning now. From here. From here. Good. Now turn. Good. Now drop. Good. Now let's turn. Drop. Good. Again. That's it. Right there. Good again. Try again. Get it back. Good. Now start from the beginning. Turn. Go. Good again. Turn. Drop. There you go. Good. Turn. Drop the racket. Racket drop. There you go. See? So see if you go from here to there. Right?